The following tools are needed for installation. Please note that we use Torx screws. Cut the packaging straps using a knife and remove the box. Use the knife with care so you do not scratch the appliance. Remove the blue transport tape from both sides of the appliance. Take out the operating instructions and accessory pack. In the refrigerator, you will find an accessory pack, a cover strip and tools. Check the accessory pack contents. Check the furniture housing is square and level. Next, check the installation dimensions. Please ensure the appliance is sufficiently ventilated as per the instructions. Remove the power plug cable from its plastic bracket. Attach a cord to the cable as this makes it easier to position the cable later on. If installing an appliance with an ice maker, ensure there is a suitable water supply before fitting. Carefully position the appliance 3/4 of the way into the housing. Remove the red transport lock. Use the cord to help position the power cable. Remove the sealing strip. With a 16 mm thick housing, attach spacers to all hinges. Clip the infill strip centrally onto the top of the appliance. Attachment brackets are pre-installed for 4-point installation. On the handle side, attach the plastic bracket with depth stop at the top and the attachment bracket at the bottom. Clip the plastic stop onto the attachment bracket. The attachment brackets assist in aligning the appliance within the furniture housing. Now attach the steel spring brackets to the refrigerator door. Screw in the leveling feet by hand. Please note that the leveling feet do not come with all appliances. Attach the sealing strip to the handle side of the appliance. Push the appliance into the housing up to the stop guide. 4-point installation makes sure the appliance is perfectly positioned. The front edge clearance should be 42 mm. This also applies to units with a sealing lip. If necessary, the leveling feet can be used to adjust the upper gap. Attach the appliance to the housing using 2 screws in each hinge. Once fixed into position, snap off the plastic stops. Clip on the plastic covers. To align the refrigerator and ensure perfect closing, use the leveling rails. To do this, attach the leveling rail to the installation tool. Slide the leveling rail into the designated support until you feel a definite resistance. Detach the installation tool and repeat with the second rail. Please note that the leveling rails do not come with all appliances. To complete the door installation, extend the positioning guides, making sure they are level, paying particular attention to the positioning of the lower edge of the guide against the furniture door above. Undo the check nut and remove the crossbar. Mark the center of the furniture door on its interior side. Attach the crossbars at the center of the furniture door using the positioning guides on the interior side and secure it into place with the screws provided. Reinsert the two installation guides. Hang the furniture door on the bolts and screw it loosely into place. The door can be aligned on all three axes, X, Y, and Z. Ensure the fittings are flush and check the gap. Attach the two steel spring brackets to the furniture door. An adjustment slot enables the door to be aligned in the Z direction. In addition, there is a top-sighted Z-axis adjustment. Attach the plastic covers. Finally, inspect by eye. Check the closure of the refrigerator and the furniture door. The fixed door opens and closes perfectly.